All right, so we're getting close enough to the point where we got to start thinking about paint. And what I did was, as you saw earlier, I painted this Rustoleum Camouflage Brown. But now I have painted on the Citadel sewer paint. And it looks really good. And let's see if we can back off and get up higher. So this is what we got. And if you're looking at this and it looks like it's black, you are correct. It does look like it's black, but it's actually a really dark brown. So that underframe looks really pretty nice. Now we gotta do something about this. Busted. We're gonna do something about that, no problem. But the sewer paint, remember we did sewer paint on these guys? So when this guy is on here, he is on here something like that and that. Let's get down there and see what he looks like. Let's zoom in on him. Okay, let's see if we can, let's put a spotlight on that so it's not in shadow. I'm gonna use a flashlight. This might not be the best spotlight, but let's see what we got here. Everything matches pretty well, but except for, okay, the brass part, we'll get to that. We got to beef that up a bit for this guy. But the sewer paint itself matches real nice on this guy. And I am confident this is the way we should have gone, which we did go. That looks really nice. Even if this was going to be, a pristine model, this is the way we're going to go on those other, on the other two. And we might even go this way on the big boy because it matches up real nice. And it looks kind of greasy black. A little bit like it's in service. It doesn't look super weathered, and it looks like it matches nicely. Let's back up and see if we can zoom in and get some better look at it. Sewer paint over that camouflage brown, I think really does the job. I think it really does the job. It makes it look really pretty nice. Wherever you go. That doesn't matter. What matters is I am a little bit amazed at how nicely it went. I mean, it really does look pretty good. And if you're a purist, steam guy where it's got to be all black and everything, I don't like all black because you don't have any room to work with all black. But with this, the way we did it, we got room to actually do just a tiny bit of dress up. This guy is not supposed to be a rust bucket. He isn't supposed to be heavily weathered. He's supposed to be an in-service guy who is well maintained in service. That's where we're at.